We arrived at the dark side, Bode 3. You see, Bode 3 here. It's about 17 kilometers from the town. Okay, and we'll take fast. I have also the dwarf and the Seestar. With the dwarf already captured the Comet, and we'll take now the Seestar S50. We'll open the case and mount it fast on the tripod. You see, we have it here, and we'll mount it fast on the tripod. Let me just take the tripod first out. Find here a decent place like this to place the tripod, so I can also see it, but I don't have reflections from the car. Something like this. Okay, so we found a nice place for the Seestar. I need to make sure it's close to being leveled like this. Okay, so we have placed the tripod. We check the bubble level, and here you see it seems leveled. Okay, and we will mount now the Seestar S50. Okay, so I'll pause the video and I'll be right back after I will mount it. We have the Seestar S50 here in Bode 3 sky in the rural area, and do see some clouds in the northwest. Hope I will be able to capture the comet. So we'll turn on the Seestar S50 now, and let's hope for the best. I do want to capture the Comet 12P Pons-Brooks from Bode Sky 3 using the Seestar S50. I do want to see the difference quality compared with the town. I haven't managed to capture it from the town yet. I hope tomorrow I can still have a chance. But now I tried my luck here in Bode Sky 3. We'll open now, we'll connect now to the Seestar S50. And we'll see if we need to calibrate or not. First let's connect. Usually it will ask for calibration. We connect it, 78%. We do have some wind, so no moisture. So let's see if we'll go here. Okay. We will go with the settings, 10 seconds. Okay, so we'll start. First we'll go here, deep sky stack. Oh no, here is another option that we have to, it will stack the images. So catalog, Messier, we'll try and find it. Let's see, catalog, nebula, cluster, comet. So we need to find the section comet. I think this is the best way. And here we'll have all the comets, 12P Pons-Brooks. Let's press gazing, and let's see how it will move. We'll go camera, and you see the Seestar S50. We'll try and find the comet. Okay, but it's really dark, so that's why I had to push the light a little bit. Let's see inside night side, and you see it's trying to find the comet. Okay, and let's go back and see what's available here on the screen. A car is coming. Okay, to Pons-Brooks. We need to wait a little bit. Oh, we need to press go too. Okay, some car is coming. Hope it will pass. Hope it will not stop with the lights. Okay, And yeah, it seems we have some clouds in that direction. It was a big risk to come here. Very big risk. Okay, and here it is. We have it. You see, we have it, and we want to. It's very close to the center, but it's good like this because we can get also the tail. You see, this is the center, but we can get also the tail. Okay, so we'll go out of focus, and then we will start. Okay, and let's begin. It can correct the horizontal placement error, so we need to wait a little bit. Oh, it's very strong wind here. So let's wait. Let's wait for correction. And we'll pause the video and restart it. Okay. Auto centering, and we start the plan. Might have to make also some dark frames. That will be another minute. 100%. Okay, let's press cancel. Okay, and let's try now our plan. We will just go manually, center it manually. Oops, too much. Okay, now a little bit up and a little bit more. Okay, I think it's correct now. Let's begin. Preparing for imaging enhancing. About 1 minute. Normally it would have been best to calibrate also the Seestar, but I'm very in a hurry because I have also some clouds and time is very limited, like half an hour. Faster, come on. Okay. And it's starting. Yes, the initial position was a little bit better, a little bit off the center, so we can get more of the tail. But this should be fine also like this. Oh, is okay, maybe a little lower. So let's stop it. We'll wait another one. Yeah, we'll go a little bit lower. Okay, a little bit lower from the center. And I think this is a good position, maybe a little bit more. And yeah, I think we are good now. And let's begin. Let's hope no clouds. And yeah, we'll get also in the car. And let's observe it directly from the car. Yeah, with the Seestar S50, small exposures, 10 seconds. And look, it will be brighter and brighter. I do have some cloud in the area, so the quality might be affected. And look, 30 seconds. You can see here very nice the nucleus. But if it's cloudy, I might need to stack again. Got it. This means we have some clouds. Definitely clouds. I got unlucky. So better in, I would have stayed in Bortle 4, no clouds, than coming Bortle 3 and having clouds in that area. Already is lower. If we check here, it will show us the position. It is the comet. See, basically this is our position. Here we have coordinates, and look how low it is. Okay, well, we're starting to see it better. So I think the first tag was compromised, having clouds, and we'll try again. We'll stop it and do another one. Restart. Okay. We restarted the plan because we had some clouds. Already looks better. 30 seconds. Forty seconds. Let's zoom in. Oh, so nice. Right, 50 seconds. So let's hope no more clouds. So 8 and 7. Let's leave it at least half an hour. After will be very low. Okay. So nice. So nice. Okay. And we have almost 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, and the satellite passed or something passed right through it. Huh. Like right behind it or something, you see? Oh, it's nasty. Yeah, but we're starting to see now more of the tail. That's so nice. Okay, so since that cloud went away, finally, I can see the stars. I'm outside. I can see the Orion constellation. And curious if I can see the Orion Nebula with my naked eyes, right? That's the idea. Let's go here and see that. Okay, we have a cloud that is lower, so hopefully it will go away. But yeah, without binoculars I cannot see it. But here we can see it with the Seestar S50. Look, 3 minutes. So nice, right? Look how it looks zoomed in. It's 3 minutes. And we have satellites passing in front. That's nasty. That's really nasty. I'm glad that I've positioned it a little bit lower, not quite in center. I guess close to a third of the image, so we can capture more of the tail. Goodbye 12P Pons-Brooks, already very low. And yes, these are the last, probably the last week that I can still capture it. Getting very low, so maybe you can still capture it for one more week. And for me, borderless sky with the Seestar is it's a good option. And we can see also the tail. Maybe I should have put it even lower. But yeah, I said to be also a little bit close to center. The center of the image, not too low. But yeah, we'll see. Well, I guess most of the tail is visible on this part. And because it's going slower, we can make a longer life stack. Okay, clouds again. If there are clouds, it cannot see the stars, it will discard the frames. I must say it's better quality than the dwarf too. Let's zoom in here and see if it stays, if it will not get too elongated. So we'll divide maybe the plan into two live stacks of 15 minutes. So it will not get elongated. I will stop the plan at 10 minutes, this one, and continue it again, so it will save two of them. Okay, on the Orion Nebula we have clouds. Can try Bode's galaxy. M81, M82. So yeah, we have a lot of haze. So I'm not sure how much improvement. So because of this, I'll probably stop it at 10 minutes. We'll see how long it will. Because taking bad frames is not a very good solution. See, starting to see here the background with more more light because of the haze. Getting lower and lower. In 10 minutes we'll stop and continue enhancing it, so we'll have two. One of 10 minutes and one that it will have more, like 30 minutes. So we have 40 minutes and 30 seconds. You see, it's already moving. So we have elongated at this stage. But we'll combine with the other one. Since it's not getting much better right now. And you see why? It's because it gets elongated. So I would say now good exposure will be up to 5 minutes. So here at 15 minutes already we noticed it's more elongated. At 10 minutes we barely noticed. So let's stop again and we'll make another one and restart it. And this will stop it also at 5 and 10 minutes, not more. This is not comet stacking, it's just star stacking with the Seestar S50. So to get, we can make the time lapse, if we have enough images. And look how nice we can see the moon. Look how nice we can see the moon. Let's go night side and look at this. We can see the moon. Oh, how nice. The moon rising. If not a comet, I would capture it with the Seestar S50. Okay, so there's the city, and here we have the Seestar. We have there's still Jupiter visible. Orion constellation not so visible because of clouds. And maybe you can see the big deeper. I'm not sure. Okay, so don't have much more to wait and we should finish. So let's go here. We'll probably leave it another 10 minutes or so because it's getting very, very low. Yeah, so at 5 minutes we stop it and restart it on the same one. So probably we'll have also the 5-minute stack. We'll have more stacks. But yeah, in 10 minutes we should, I think I will finish it. Time is very, very short. We'll go soon in the car because it's windy here. At 5 minutes we stop and restart. So here's the Comet live with live stacking. Already the quality is going low. Five minutes, stop, and we'll restart. We'll continue. Okay. So nice to being able to see it. Now I'm in the car and I'm watching the comet from the car. Look how nice, right? How nice. Let's leave it also like this a little bit with zoom. How nice, right? The Comet 12P. Got it. So clouds are coming. We might not be able to do much more. He stopped at 5 minutes. Okay, let's see if we can. Seems we have too much clouds there, and we want to do more. And we'll stop it. Stop. And let's find the moon. We'll go lunar, go to moon. Let's see if it will find it. So the other part is rising. Let's see the full moon rising. We started without the moon being up, so it let's see if we can see it with the camera. The Seestar, I need to go out again. Okay. And yeah, you see, is moving towards the moon. Is moving, so we need to switch now. We need to switch and see if it found it in center or not. Okay, it found it, but I got it. I went to, and we have some power cables there. Oops, let's put it here. Okay, good. Let's see autofocus. The full moon rising. Okay, take a few images and let's go video and make a short video of the moon like this. The moon rising with the full moon rising with the Seestar S50. Okay, look here, how nice. A lot of heat in the air, right? A lot of heat. And after this we'll do a short plan, maybe with M81, M82. We are still here in Bode 3, but the time is very limited because you see the moon is rising. So get back in the car. Okay. And yeah, let's make a raw. Stop it and make a raw video. We forgot to enable raw to get the best quality. And this is the moon with the Seestar S50. Look how much heat we have. The moon rising with Seestar S50. Look how much heat we have in the air. And we are making now a raw video. See, the moon is more yellow a little bit. It was even more yellow when it rises behind the hills. A lot of strong wind here, so I need to be careful how much I stay out. So this will be a few minutes video, like 2 minutes. And go Bode's galaxy fast. Or another target since we are in Bode 3, but I need something up because we have a lot of haze. And yeah, a lot of haze in southwest, northwest, and also north. Okay, so let's stop the video with the moon. Stop it. Video saved. Okay. M81. Let's go gazing. M81. We need to autofocus again. The cigar galaxy, if this is in center. Let's wait. I cannot see the other one. Let's autofocus first again. The other one must be lower, I believe. So after autofocusing we'll go and look at Sky Atlas and try to find it. Okay, so we want to capture them both, right? And we'll go here at this point. Go to. Okay. And yeah, we see one on the edge here. Let's wait. Yeah, and we capture also the other one. Good position, maybe just a little bit here more. Go more on the left. Just a little bit. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Okay, something like this. Okay, and Let's begin. Oh, look how nice. Bode 3 sky. Even if the full moon is rising, it's still low. So I think this is the best way to capture galaxies with the full moon, going in darker sky and with the moon low in the sky. So this is a very affordable solution, very good solution. And this is just 30 seconds. So this is dark sky astrophotography test with the Seestar S50. I captured first the Comet 12P Pons-Brooks, after I captured a little bit the full moon, and now Bode's galaxy M81 and M82. The moon is still low, so having these galaxies very high in the sky, I should be able to get good results in a short plan. So yeah, I'm here alone. It seems it's a little bit more scary if you go alone in rural area, hills, yeah, forests. But yeah, I don't do this very often. Here I went about 16 to 17 kilometers from the town I'm entering, Bode 3. Yeah, I think about 17 kilometers here. And it's a good position if you want to capture some dark nebula stone. The problem is it's hard to find a very good place on these hills because of a lot of private lands. I just parked here near the road, so I'm capturing Bode's galaxy near the road and from my car. I selected the target from my car using the phone, and yeah, capturing galaxies from inside your car with the Seestar S50. This is very nice. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit now. We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, so nice, you see? So nice. This is 6 minutes. Yeah, as I mentioned, this will be a shorter test because the moon is getting high right now. Look, satellites. The Cigar Galaxy, M81 and M82. M81 and M82. Yeah, we're starting to see more details. This is really nice. Let's leave it a little bit longer. But yeah, let's leave it a little bit longer. Having more integration is the key. And we leave it to finish. After this we'll turn off the Seestar S50 and head back home, and we'll download the images that we got from tonight from here in near the village Shigo, Cluj County, Transylvania, in Border Sky 3. And let's see also the altitude altimeter, and next 563 meters, 564. Now here we have 14 minutes with the Seestar S50. I'll wait probably to until we have half of hour. Oh, so strong is this wind. So let's wait until we have 25 minutes and then we'll turn off the Seestar. Seestar Adventures, Seestar S50 Adventures under dark sky. 25 minutes and we finished. Now we will stop the plan and save the image. This is the last one. Let's export it to story. So here we have, I parked near the road and I've made a very nice test with the Seestar S50 under dark sky. And now it's time to turn off the Seestar S50 and head back home. We have also the full moon rising, but when I started the test the moon was not up. And we stopped it in time. We got also no clouds. And we captured Comet 12P, Pons-Brooks, the full moon, and also Messier 81 and 82. Here we have the Seestar S50 in Border Sky 3. And we can also use night sight. I think it's better a little bit. Let's turn it off.